Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel, Kashae's Tuesday. I am Kashae. Hello. And today we are going to be making a large paper butter squishy. I've made two of these just because I made one off camera and I didn't know how it was going to go, but I really like them. I love how big they are. I feel like a lot of the paper butter squishies are butter sized, and I wanted to make mine kind of big and fluffy. So this one doesn't have a lot of stuffing and it's really squishy. And this one I wanted to be really plump, so it has a lot more stuffing, but it is still really squishy. So I won't hold you guys up any longer and we can just get right into the video. So I'm using yellow construction paper, a dark blue alcohol marker, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, packing tape, and stuffing. So we're taking our yellow paper and folding it in half, hamburger style, then folding those halves in half again. Then pick a square and start your design. I did the third square so my seam is like in the back. I'm literally only using the ruler to make a very light straight line that you'll just end up erasing, but just so all my letters line up evenly. I used Google reference images. We got there and I'm happy with how this looks. Now I'm taking that dark blue and coloring in my design. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with how it looks. Now we're taking our tape and laminating this entire sheet of paper and then cut off your excess tape. Once that's done, fold your paper into those 4 sections again, but like all going the same way because this is going to fold into our butter shape. And then tape those 2 sides together. And you will be left with this tube. So I'm grabbing another sheet of yellow paper and tracing the opening of the tube, so like the sides, and make sure to erase this line so it's barely there. Now laminate the shape with the tape and cut it out. It should be like a rounded kind of square, and when you're done, just use that first square to trace and cut out the second square because you're going to need 2 for both ends of the butter. And now we taped 1 square onto one end of the butter. And remember that at the curves, you can cut your tape into smaller pieces and it lays down a lot better. The last corner of my square ended up being a little too big, so I just cut the excess to make it fit. Now once we have this end all sealed off, I'm actually going to take one long piece of tape all around the tube over everywhere I already taped, just so it's extra secure, and a piece of tape or 2 over the square we taped down just to secure this as well. My tape is kind of thick, so it does peel up a little bit, so that's why I'm doing that. Before we tape down our second square, we can stuff our butter. And now I'm taking my second square and just closing off the butter, and literally I'm just repeating all the same steps as the other side that we just did. And here we have our butter squishy all done. I really love it. I think it is so cute. I love how just big it is. I think that is so fun. This is like the biggest paper squishy I've made so far, and I just love it. And because I added a lot of stuffing, it's definitely like a round cylinder instead of like a square butter, but I feel like it still comes across as butter, so I don't mind. I love a fluffy squishy. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!